All right, what's up, everybody? It is day 33 and 32. I got behind, and so I'm trying to get caught up here. So I'm just gonna do 2 days in one. So still on my 75 hard challenge, and still right around 21 pounds, and things are going well. And so here's your daily challenge question. So you're at the gym, you're working out, you're in class, and you rip. It happens. So what do? Do you acknowledge it? Do you say something? Do you just pretend like it didn't happen? What say you? What about when you crop dust, or someone crop dusts you, and you go into it and you almost die? It's a big problem these days. So the next time you're at the gym and you got a rip, you're gonna think about this. How many people just hide it? Well, that's what I would do until somebody says something, but it's always really uncomfortable. Anyway, I just had to get that out there. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. Go Bengals this weekend, and that's day 33 in the books, and we'll see you tomorrow.